가장 먼저 버스 스테이션이 출래라. 니 저 서울부터 트레인을 줘. Seoul station. Now we are going to look for the KTX train that we are taking. Okay, so we are in the train now. Omala is here. Aji is here. Dini city of Busan ni the mountains tayo nang. Okay. Hello Busan. Ice cream, fresh juice. They have calligraphy. 전국 지민 대도하대. 방탄소년단. Guys, okay guys, lagat spicy noodle. Good morning, welcome back to twinphosafamily. Today is day 2 in Korea. So we stayed at Aja Tsering's place, and Aja Tsering has been very nice and helpful to us in this trip. Okay, so this is where we stayed. Tinsyongmo, Aja Paranju and me, we stayed here. Our day 1. Very comfortable, charging all the phones. So this is Aja's dining area, living room, Aja's daughter, and the kitchen. And Tashi is still snoozing. Omala is helping Aja. Good morning, Aja. Omala, good morning. This is Ajla's place. Good morning, Aja Pandilas. And their laundry, just Ajay son's room, and the washroom. Yeah. So we had very good sleep. I guess we were walking a lot and we were tired. It was very good sleep and very comfortable stay. Okay, see ya. Okay, so we are ready, like ready. So Jia is eating her breakfast. Tenzi Aja Tsering jipu. So Aja Tsering la nije. Punido ani. Okay, our morning started. So we are out of the house now. Since this is the only jacket I wore, like actually all of us, we only got like one jacket. Still wearing the same jacket, and here they are here. Beautiful ladies are here now.
이거 깨졌네. 언제 깨졌어요?
I got it in my suitcase.
가리.
I could have worn too.
오 한.
내가 줬어.
나도 사람 믹실.
내가 줬어.
Michel.
Marmar de suitcase
Ale.
for
믹실 ngai 믹실 को ले लो ये मरिया contact lens खींचो और. तो दिना जी का. ये जो mix आओ ये जो सोते रे जोला नहीं शक लंते नहीं खिंगिरा.
네 세워요 말다. 혹시나 도망가면
위열해.
야포도 아니.
Ani mama mula ta टल गई छी ta. चश्मा निकाले को. फाइनली तो दिला द स्ट्रीट दिजने खाते दी तो चिखाला और पीस जो बनी खाते यागो रोगे. फाइनली निमा थोड़ द रेली. आज फर्स्ट डे लेके कि नाइट दिला raining. Okay, ani 오케이. 안 땡기 치고 아주 다 디니로 부산 되래. 아주 되게 타이밍 디 아주 가장 first 타이밍 디 this change 했어. 니 다단다 디니 누구라. 디 사제 디 지양 사라. 디니 간조 트레인 레니 가장 간조 two stop 뒤로 줄래 봐. 언제 다시 진짜 간조 트레인 레니 아니 스톱 뒤에 망아도 있어요. 가지라나 가장 간조 버스 스테이션이 출래라. 니 저 서울 버스 트레인 레죠. 카니란 디 express train 지어라. 트레인 침부디 express train 디 레니 간조 부산 되래. 아니 express train 디 부산 버드라. 야 맞다고. express train 디 부산 버드 됐다. 주둔이를 찾았어. 닝잘도 주둔이를 찾아러 그래샤. किसी मोटर रोला नहीं डोना तो चिसंगा दा जस्ट बोगी तो देरा योक्शोल रशा अनि बस ला डोना रा चिसो गे गु गु गे रेसा लसे 당아니 땡기 치고 아랭다라 냠 십배 하고도 먼저 부산 남시 딘데네 뺏기고 용서를 씨야 Okay, so we're at the bus station, so we're buying the bus ticket. This bus ticket to Seoul. Mine. Thank you. Wow. Now we are heading. 근데 내 양고도 내 스테이션 레데. 저거도 원래는 스낵 녀에도. Okay, see ya. Udah kamu nggak masih menjelaskan. Back at the train station. Visit the photo session already. 정말 소소서 busy. They busy. 난저 호야. 거치는 돼야다. 이제 actual tourist라. 트레인 리기에서다. 기기.
버스역입니다. 내리실 문은 왼쪽입니다.
One last question.
Yes.
Oh my god, you just find this. I miss you, darling.
So I'll try to bring more keychains, okay? Okay?
Papa brought us like awesome DJ. He also got us some iPod squishy. Where are we going to?
I'm going to different city.
And I miss you.
I miss you too, darling. I love you. Seoul station. Now we are going to look for the KTX train that we are taking. So this is the Seoul station, KTX, and I think it's more like our Union Station at downtown Union Station. Where are they? Oh, they're here. Big. Okay, what we did is we bought some snack from this restaurant. We bought some snack, and I'm carrying. There's more than one bag. I'm carrying one, and Achi and Kinsi they're carrying one each. Because we can get like hot snacks here, like tteokbokki and kimbap. So we will eat in the train. And Aji and them, they went to, there's a coffee shop and then there's a convenience store nearby, next to it. So they're getting coffee over there. One of them want to get cold coffee, so they're over there. Oh, thank you, Jia. So we got the ticket. Now we're headed to the platform. Okay, so we are in the train now. Omala is here. Aji is here. And this is my seat. We're separated but not too far from each other, so which is fine. In the same compartment, and Tashi, Aja and Jia, they're in same compartment, so that's a good thing. Okay. So Ninjomo got veggie gimbap and got this. I don't know who got this. And tteokbokki and sausage. We are moving now. She ordered veggie.
It's a vegetarian, but I asked vegetarian too. Curry
I said vegetarian too.
This is the process is it? Okay. Because I was remember?
So Aji got veg. Aji and Dinziomo got veg kimbap. But Dinziomo said there's seafood. Not only seafood, I actually see ham. I see ham under the egg. Yeah, it's not really veggie. Okay, 잘 먹습니다. 햄이도. 맞아, 그런 거 있어. I'm gonna try that. This is sausage and rice cake, tteokbokki. And this is my breakfast. It's my first meal of the day. Actually, the gimbap was my first meal, and it's 12. It's actually noon, first meal of the day. Oh yeah. Good. Okay, we're at Busan station. Now we're gonna have to take another local train, couple of stops, and then walk for just a little bit. So we're getting like free sample of makgeolli.
Refill, please.
Thank you. Oh, so this is this brand. Sorry? Oh, this one is that one? Okay, thank you. So we're trying a sample. So we are at Busan, city of Busan. Kada diniya city of Busan ni jumpa kamu tu mountains ta yo nang cheya.
다실링 내가
Oh, ni jumpa tu.
가장 강하면 돼 되게 그러다.
Ra, ni magi igil tu de ra. So after 2.5 hours of train ride, Busan. And the weather is very nice. Hello, Busan. So we are getting the actually Ningje Tashi Darling is getting the ticket for our local metro and lockers if anyone wants to put their stuff in. Tickets. Alright. So they have this battery charger, like portable chargers, and I think anybody who needs it, they just rent it from here and they can drop it off at another station, like a different station. I think it's pretty convenient for people who travels a lot and runs out of battery. Nice. So we are getting off at Busan station. Busan station. Okay. So we think we have to go way up. We're checking.
Do we have to climb that high?
So I'm just trying to confirm to check we're going the right way. Calling them and
안에 가면 조심해.
street over there.
We are going to the temple up there.
Okay. So Kazindi. Lantern Festival lamps. So we are at, I think this is the place, and we're at the, let me watch my bag. Korea Tibet Center. And this is the Gomba. Let's see. So this is their kitchen. We're at the basement of the Gomba.
Finally, stairways to heaven down in heaven list. Look at this.
제 보달라도 사이즈야. Oh my god. 디 빼첨보. 빼지 보드샤. 겹치. 네. 상이 좀 네. 겹치. 어디 갔어? 예, 이게 전부다. 네. Oh my goodness. 이게 전부다. 이게 누구다? 야. 당한주 단다 다름인데 니마샤르 제 대주 뒤돌아. 그래서 막 감정들 플랜 속에리 이제 배기가 전부. 기다려. So we are going to Gamcheon Culture Village. Very busy. Dirare. Oh.
아미동사. 아니.
Immer kan du kita hoşaf oh my god. Walk lista. Yeah. Tourism information. Seasoned strawberry, the jelly in this. They have public washroom up there. I think back then this town like houses used to look like this. It's more upgraded now. Handmade art stamps. Oh my god. Come. My everything. Oh my god, tada. Jungkook. Okay, मतलब दिलाई बुसान का जदी stamp inde. Ni जमुद. Nice souvenir दिख रहा है. Key holder. Key holder. So it's 15 Canadian $15 souvenir shop. Oh my god, tada, tinjo mo. The BTS ki shirt dike, like signed by all of them. Kaji korta? Size is small. Kya socks budda bagi koran? Blackpink kaji bunda dela. Isn't the shirt ning jala graphic though? This one is pretty. I think it's supposed to be a fish. Is it? Just taking picture. Ice cream, fresh juice. Oh, flower tea. This is actually cute.
Sheila is trying frozen beer. So beer the chair and the foam the frozen race. So I don't know how that is.
Wow.
Oh.
Drink? 네, 감사합니다. 고맙습니다.
Thank you.
저희 지금 맞으셔.
Premium K photos. Live for cuts. I think they're starting to close up. I think like stores are slowly wrapping up for the day. Jungkook, Jimin, and another one is I flew from all the way Canada to meet the Bangtang Sonyedan. Yeah, hello. 안녕.
중국하고 지민 BTS.
정국가 지나
당긴가 통화를 돈이래 상아. 어?
정국이 같이 왔다. 그만 줘야 강조해.
사랑이. Hassan, isn't this the little boy, the book? Handmade bags. So the Gamcheon Village. Finger holder though. You know when you use this when you poop. 아유. 네, finger holder래. This one has like mix of lakeside at Pokhara, vibe of lakeside at Pokhara and Tamil. Even Bauda, like those kind of vibe. So we are gonna shop most of the stuff at Daiso. Oh my god, dinging jimudu da bibimbap. Karadi. Jajang alles. Bulgogi kimbap. 이제 almost trying to take.
보고 있는 거 찍어 앉아 있어. 찍어주려고 멋있게.
They have many cafes. They have calligraphy. Oh, remove the. Aji, I think the people they go to these cafe and then they take this
we should go
video.
to them.
Even this is not that bad, Aji. Beauty. Gamcheon, beauty of Gamcheon and there. See. Oh my god, like I think this is why people come here. This is what it's popular for. And because it's Jungkook and Jinmin's hometown. But it's really pretty. Look at the scene. Extremely pretty. It looks more like Dharamsala. No, this is pretty. Look. Really pretty. Oh, this lineup is to take picture here. Wow. You know, that lineup, I was surprised. They're just waiting to take picture with that statue and the scenery behind. But it's a very long lineup. I thought it's actually for some kind of special cafe or something. Drink and beers. So what I've noticed is most of the stuffs are souvenir stuff, and they're like cute and tiny and pretty stuff. Plate, free brunch. The town has very colorful vibes, lots of souvenir and tourist place. They actually have nice selfie spot here, like a little stairs you go up and nice selfie spot. Di tour di thora ngone dharamsala chesta. Dharamsala kora judiya. Niela nga tour mangbuya. Oh my goodness, this is it. Ningjela. Okay, we are heading down now. And like my back, the scene. So we are heading down. We came from there earlier. We took like a cab, Kakao. So we are heading down, and the sun is setting. The day is coming to an end. and see ya. Okay, we came this way, and the roads are like Dharamsala. We're waiting for. We're gonna get a taxi here. This is Busan's nightlife. This is the train station here. Okay. We are going to get a dinner. So Mr. Chicken. So we are going to get a dinner. Let's see. So ang mo lang ang dia la dia re ani khala order chimba. Khala order chide thongge me do bujusu. So ngazu nge gide nge stew order chide. Isang magi kare order chide. Spicy noodle soup. Okay. 아니 kunju thanda. 이들 배 참가도 아니 대사 동부처럼 남상 마데나라 대사 라면 dos. I got meat stew, meat stew and English, and then with rice.
Okay, guys.
I got spicy noodles. Thank you. Aja and Tashi is sitting over there. Aja and Jihaeng is sitting over here. So we are done with the dinner, and the clan is here. Now we're headed towards our hotel. Okay. Alrighty, I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you so much to all our viewers and all the subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to the channel. We will really appreciate it. And take care and see you on next video. Bye.
Thank you.